Essential oils offers lots of benefits whether it is used topically or aromatically. In this part 2 of Young Living Essential Oils, I'll be talking about the other 4 more oils that you must have at home. These are Peace and Calming, Valor, Raven, and Stressaway essential oils. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell button for more essential oils information. Peace and Calming Essential Oil is a gentle sweet blend of blue tansy, orange, tangerine, and ylang-ylang, and is one of Young Living's most popular essential oil blends. With a calming sweet aroma, this blend is one you will love using during your children's bedtime and for yourself after the house has settled down. This fragrant oil blend is a wonderful addition to your meditation, evening routine, or playing with the kids. With a comforting fresh aroma, Peace and Calming has become a popular oil for everything from enhancing the environment in your home to applying as a personal fragrance for any occasion. You can apply Peace and Calming essential oils to the bottoms of feet at night as part of a bedtime ritual for your whole family. You can also dilute it with V6 vegetable oil complex for a calming back massage before naps or bed. At the start of the day, add 4 to 5 drops to 1 cup of Epsom salt for a centering bath or as a part of a calming evening routine. As for aroma, you can mix it with Citrus Fresh essential oil blend for a bright, invigorating scent that's perfect for mornings before school or practice. If you're using a diffuser, you can make your own blend of chocolate orange by adding 3 drops of orange, 3 drops of Peace and Calming, 3 drops of copaiba, and 1 drop of cinnamon bark. Valor has a truly unique blend of black spruce, blue tansy, camphor wood, geranium, and frankincense. Valor has a woodsy grounding aroma that is great for massages and other topical and aromatic uses. Use it to greet each morning with a positive attitude or to refocus at the end of a challenging day. Use Valor's invigorating aroma in the morning for an uplifting and empowering scent to approach the day. Its vivacious scent is a favorite companion to an intrepid spirit. To use it topically, you may put some on your body or face for a healthy-looking skin. Valor also offers skin beautifying benefits when combined with Young Living's Art Light Moisturizer. It improves the appearance of skin when applied topically. It enhances massage for a rejuvenating experience, and you can also combine Valor with V6 vegetable oil complex to unwind before bed to have a grounding neck or back massage. Wear Valor as a bold, inspiring cologne or use it as a top note for personalized scents. Tap it on your wrist to feature a spicy, sweet, positive aroma that inspires confidence and courage. It helps freshen the air when diffused. It creates a grounded environment for yoga and meditation, and refreshes throughout the day by directly inhaling Valor or massaging it into your neck, chest, or hands and wrists. Raven Essential Oil Blend is a cool, refreshing combination of eucalyptus radiata, lemon, peppermint, ravensara, and wintergreen essential oils. A chill and minty blend with sweet undertones, Raven creates a cooling sensation and provides a comforting aroma when applied topically to the chest and throat. Like an effervescent breeze through a grove of eucalyptus trees, Raven provides a refreshing aromatic experience when diffused or inhaled directly. The naturally occurring constituents eucalyptal, menthol, and methyl salicylate provide an invigorating and empowering experience, particularly before or after a workout or when winding down for the evening. Raven Essential Oil Blend has a cool and minty eucalyptus aroma that can be applied to the chest and throat for a comforting sensation or diffused for a refreshing experience. You can smell Raven directly from the bottle because it has a cool, minty eucalyptus aroma. It can be diffused too to experience a refreshing respiratory experience. Raven may be used as a part of your exercise routine to help promote the sensation of deeper breathing. Diffuse Raven in any stuffy environment for a fresh, crisp atmosphere. Add a few drops to a hot bath or shower for an invigorating experience. Stressaway Essential Oil Blend contains a unique combination of lime, essential oil, and vanilla extract. It's this distinct mix that gives Stressaway its unique and pleasant aroma among other benefits. Stressaway also includes copaiba, which has a history of beneficial properties in topical application, lavender with its refreshing and calming scent, and cedarwood, which features the powerful plant constituent cedrol. These ingredients are expertly blended with other essential oils. A tropical blend of lime, vanilla, copaiba, and more, Stressaway's sweet citrus scent helps you to step away from the many tasks that fill your day to momentarily unwind and relax in a personal oasis. Stressaway can be applied topically and used as a personal fragrance. It can also be applied to your wrists while at work or school to enjoy this blend's soothing, fresh scent. As for aromatic use, Stressaway can be formulated with lime, lavender, cedarwood, and other pure essential oils for a well-rounded and relaxing aroma. Diffuse Stressaway also in your home after a long day for a fresh, soothing aroma that helps promote feelings of relaxation. Add a few drops to a cotton ball and place it in the vent of your car to create a calming environment during a long drive or rush hour traffic.